Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make fried tandoori shrimp today. To a bowl, add 1.5 pounds of shrimp, washed and very well drained, and 4 tablespoons of egg white. Next, add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder or to taste, quarter teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon salt or to taste, a pinch of orange food color optional, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Give it a mix. Marinate this for no more than 20 minutes. Shrimps are very well marinated. Now let's fry them. Heat oil on medium-high flame. The oil is hot. Add shrimps one at a time. Fry each side for no more than 30 seconds. Friends, please do not over fry the shrimp. They'll become tough and chewy. Remove them from oil. These are ready. Let's fry the remaining shrimps. Remove them from oil. These are ready. Tandoori fried shrimps are ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.